A pandemic is a global disease outbreak.
Influenza is primarily transmitted from person to person via large, virus-laden droplets that are generated when infected persons cough or sneeze. These large droplets can then settle on the mucosal surfaces of the upper respiratory tracts of susceptible persons who are near, meaning within 3 feet of, the infected person. The disease spreads easily from person to person, causes serious illness, and can sweep across the country and around the world in a very short time.